Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Fate/Stay Night on PC. First, let's prepare. Fate/Stay Night is a visual novel, meaning it's an interactive story with choices, not an action game. You'll need a computer with a modern operating system, like Windows 10 or 11, and at least 8 gigabytes of free disk space. A stable internet connection is also essential for downloading the necessary files. This easy method will have you enjoying the story in no time. Next, we'll get the game files. The original Fate/Stay Night visual novel is available from various fan translation communities. Search for the Real-to-Nua version, which includes voice acting and updated visuals. You'll typically find a main installer file and a separate English patch. Always download from reputable fan sites to ensure file safety and completeness. Expect the download to be several gigabytes, so a fast internet connection will save you time. Now let's install the game. First, run the main installer you downloaded. Choose your preferred installation directory, typically in your program files. Once the base game is installed, locate the English patch file. Run this patch, making sure it points to the directory where you just installed Fate/Stay Night. The patch will apply the English text and often includes additional features like high-resolution assets. This step is crucial for an enjoyable experience. Finally, it's time to play. After successful installation and patching, you should find a new shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Double-click it to launch Fate/Stay Night. Inside the game, you can adjust settings like text speed, window mode, and sound volume to your liking. Remember to save your game often, especially before making significant choices. Enjoy diving into the rich story and memorable characters of this classic visual novel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.